Hello! Kumusta? How are you all? Now I'm cooking the fresh French fries. Patatas. Kasi Sophia, she want to eat French fries. And then we are not allowing her to eat outside. Especially this oil, too much oil. That's why I make it homemade French fries. Diba? Ganyan ang mga nanay, always mga mother like this. Oh, see here, it's ready. And then I put with the mayonnaise and ketchup together. And then the ketchup itself, this is only for Sophia. She like only ketchup. This one for mommy and daddy. And then here, our snack for today. Fresh potato French fries. And then I just add only a cornstarch, little bit cornstarch, and then salt. Because Sophia want to eat the French fries. Mommy, I want French fries. Like that. Oh, come here, Sophia. Now, Sophia, it's here. Say hi to all auntie. Auntie, uncle, lola, lolo. Come here. See, Sophia want. What you want to eat, Sophia? Sophia is very, before I cook here in the induction, and then now I transfer it. If fry, I will use the induction. Luto time. Actually, kakatapos lang ng ulan, sis. Recently only raining, now very hot now. Come, Sophia, please. No. Malapit na matapos. Almost done, my friends, guys. Bayo. Say hi. Mom. We'll go in the new house after this. Okay, let's say hi. Oh, come, say hi. Okay. Okay. Sophia.
And then I go to Giti.
Okay, Sugit and
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Tito.
Hi, Tita Bella.
Tita Bella. Table of 4.
1 to 4.
Proper names. Make it sound.
4 1 to 4. 4 to 9. 4 6 to 12. 4 4 to 60. 4 5 to 20. 4 6 to 24. 4 7 to 28. 4 8 to 32. 4 9 to 36. 4 10 to 40.
40. Yay. Table of 4. Si Sophia.
3 1 to 3. 3 2 to 6. 3 6 to 9. 3 4 to 12. 3 1 to 50. 3 6 to 80. 3 7 to 21. 3 8 to 34. 3 9 to 36.
Slowly while you are
3
talking.
10 to 30. 4 1 to 4.
Oh, like that. 4 times 4. Okay.
2 1 to 2. 2 to 4. 2 3 to 6. 4 1 to 4. Padua.
Ah. Ito, guys. Walang ano si Sophia, guys. See? I'm done. Now time to yum. Grabe ang init. Time pa lang dito, alas 3. 3 o'clock pa, o, diba? Para din kami no, we are like a Jollibee, o, fresh, tapos healthy pa. Because just now I use the oil. And then it's very healthy. Maganda talaga tayo ang magluluto mga nanay. Because if we are cook, we know already. Thank you for watching. God bless all. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for my new subscriber and old subscriber. Much love po. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.